Today, talking about Aerodrome finance. Trading volume's up 51%, market cap sitting just under a billion, 923 million, $1.33 currently. Last 7 days, up around 9%, no real crazy price action. Over the last month, up 12%, and over the last year, if you zoom out, up 1,300% all time. It's up around 1,300% because, again, it is very, very new, or Aerodrome is very, very new to the market. I talked about it pretty much maybe in every video I've made on Aerodrome up to this point that, infant stages of Aerodrome, infant stages of base chain, even you could say infant stages of Coinbase, although it's been around a long time. Coinbase is still growing, and base chain is obviously very, very new, right? The leading DEX on base, Aerodrome, we know this, massive. Everything that they put out is extremely bullish. Aerodrome hits 80 million in swap fees. Previous epoch, Aerodrome hit all-time high of 6.08 million in swap fees, all for the VE Aero voters. As a leading on-chain venue for major traders, we're committed to onboarding the most sought-after assets on Base. We know about this already. I've talked about it. The central liquidity trading place on Base, right? Base is layer 2 chain, incubated essentially or created by Coinbase. Now, we can see here Aerodrome, I don't want to say it's directly correlated to the price of Bitcoin because Bitcoin is obviously up quite a bit more than 8% or even 11% over the last month. But some big news that I really want to talk about, main focus of this video here, is obviously Aerodrome is closely connected with Base, right? It's backed by Base, or it is backed by Base, backed by Coinbase, backed by Coinbase Ventures. But the big news coming into crypto recently is that Donald Trump is supposed to meet privately with Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong. Would make the first time I've met since election day, and comes Trump filled with his cabinet with senior posts. Trump, formerly a crypto skeptic, has turned into vocal supporter of the industry. Now, again, this doesn't obviously, you're not going to impact the price of Aerodrome right away, but I would assume Brian Armstrong is going to, I'm saying if something happens as far as positive regulations and things like that when it comes to crypto, Brian Armstrong, who should be closely involved, I think, in those talks, given where he stands in the crypto space in the United States, I think he's going to probably look after Coinbase, right? And the companies that in the cryptos that are backed by Coinbase, and Aerodrome is one of those, right? Also, this article, again, I'll put this and this, both these articles in the link in the description below, but venture capitalist Arthur Chong is calling attention to one decentralized exchange Altcoin he thinks is primed for bullish trajectory. The DeFinance Capital CEO is that he's heavily investing into Aerodrome finance. Coinbase Ventures historically do six-figure venture deals and seldom went beyond 1 million investments until recently. Largest ever investment made on a liquid token, which again they made. CB Ventures, Coinbase Ventures, which again comes back to Brian Armstrong here, made a $20 million investment into Aerodrome finance, right? So think about why they're so bullish and still buying more. We can see here Coinbase is continuing to be bought by, Aerodrome's continuing to be bought by Coinbase. You can see the quote, right? Calls attention to Aerodrome's rising share of total DEX volume. Think about how this will play out in the next 3 to 6 months for Aerodrome finance, right? Given the share of the total DEX volume that Aerodrome does have, right? Talked about it before. First video I ever made here on Aerodrome was 8 months ago, 53 cents at the time of that video. And again, just for multiplier purposes, and when we're talking about multipliers here, Uniswap market cap right now is 5.5 billion. And I think it's safe to say that it's not out of the question for Aerodrome to reach $5+ billion market cap. I've talked about a lot. In general, I think Aerodrome is a $15+ coin. Giving out $1.33 right now, and again, not even that long ago, less than a year ago, or 6 months ago, 7 months ago, we cleared that $2 mark. And again, given Uniswap, how long Uniswap's been around, essentially how much gas fees they accumulate, how much trading volume is done on Uniswap, or at least was done on Uniswap. 5.5 billion market cap. Uniswap's all-time high would be a $22 billion market cap, $32 per Aero. So again, there's just a lot of reasons here to be bullish. Let me know in the comments below if you guys feel the same way about Aerodrome as well. Again, been covering Aerodrome for a while now, probably 80+ videos now on Aerodrome. Yeah, this is obviously super bullish here. We got crypto analysts that are extremely bullish. I remain extremely bullish. Please let me know in the comments below if you are as well. Again, leave a comment too if you're not bullish. Hit that subscribe button. You guys drop a like on this video, and as always, have a great day.